Hey, yo. Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Christine Amor if you are new here, so we are jumping right in. So I am starting off with Anastasia Beverly Hills, the brow pomade. I believe I'm using the shade Chocolate, and I'm just filling in my brows. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And now I'm using my NYX Gotcha Covered Concealer. If you are not new here, you know this is my favorite concealer, y'all. I'm just gonna go ahead and drag it down. So I'm just blending it out with this sponge from Real Techniques, and I want to make sure it's really blended. So one of the palettes we're going to be using today is the Violet Voss Pro palette. I'm going to be using this first two colors you see here and just taking them and blending it into my crease. You guys know I love a really nice defined crease. And next I'm going to take this color here and I want to define it even more. I'm just basically copying the picture that you guys saw earlier in the intro, and she had like kind of a brown cut crease, kind of black towards the end if you look really close. So I'm just taking a fluffy blending brush to blend it all together, and I'm using this base from NYX and this nice brush that I happen to find in the beauty supply store, and it's already flat like that. I hope it stays like that, but anyway, I'm cutting my crease. Next I'm dipping into this palette from Juvias Place and taking that nice bright pink color, and we're just going to put that on the inner corner and closer towards the outer corner. If you look closely in the photo, she has pink in the inner corner. So I'm taking that same brush in the same NYX base, and I'm just going to go ahead and reapply before I put the middle color down, which is going to be that light yellow from the Violet Voss Pro palette, and I'm just placing that down and blending it out. You want to make sure everything's nice and blended. And here, y'all, I found this in the beauty supply store. It is a liquid eyeshadow. All the products will be in the description box down below, but it's really pretty, and it's only like $2. So you know I reach for my Fenty Beauty eyeliner. I'm a big eyeliner girl, a big baby hair girl, so you know I jumped on this look a sippity sap. So I'm just filling in my eyeliner and taking it down, taking my time. So I applied these spiders on my eyes off camera, and now I'm going to take my Photo Finish Smashbox primer and apply that all over the face. These lashes were from Amazon and they were really long. These are the longest lashes I've ever worn. So I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me, one of my favorite drugstore foundations, and we're gonna apply 2 coats of foundation with the Real Techniques brush. Not a brush, girl, I tried it. A sponge, and we're just gonna blend everything together. So back to my favorite concealer from NYX, and I'm just going to apply it underneath my eyes. We're gonna put it on the nose, we're gonna put it on the chin. Her nose, Bratz dolls are snatched, okay? So I don't usually do a heavy contour, but I had to for this look. So I went back into the Juvia's Place palette with that pink and just went right underneath my eye. And I'm taking my Studio Fix powder to contour on my forehead, my cheeks, and I'm gonna do the same thing with my nose, but I'm gonna dip into it lightly. Well, I lied, that wasn't lightly. I'm gonna dip into it and contour my nose. Today we're going to use the glow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to use those 2 colors and highlight the mess out of my face, because if you look at that photo, she is highlighted, which I don't mind. All 3 of my favorite things are in this look: baby hairs, highlight, and a long wing eyeliner. So you guys know I had to jump on this look. So we're just going to apply it to the nose, and I'm using this lip pencil from the beauty supply store. Don't slack on your local beauty supply store, okay? They have a lot of great things. So I'm using this nice color, and I'm going to use my favorite lip gloss from the MAC collection with Aaliyah, and it's Brooklyn Born. I know it looks like I'm using the lip gloss, but I'm using the liquid shadow from earlier, and that is it for this look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Will you be trying the challenge as well? Let me know. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.